Welcome back, Crammers, to question 22. Victor buys 12 bottles of apple juice for a total cost of $21. He sells all 12 bottles at 2.45 per bottle. Work out Victor's percentage profit. To find the percentage increase, it's new minus old divided by old times 100. Now, for the new value, the value that he sells it at, it's 12 times 2.45. We can find this out using our calculator. We have 12 times 2.45 gives us 29.4. So he sells it at $29.4. The old value is the value he bought it at, and this is already given as 21. Now that we have everything we need, we can input it into the formula. We have the new value, which is 29.4 minus the old value, which is 21, divided by the old value, which is 21, and we multiply by 100. We can then put this into our calculator. We have 29.4 minus 21 divided by 21 times 100 gives us 40%. 40%. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.